In the ever-evolving landscape of automotive technology, Volvo has emerged as a trailblazer with its commitment to sustainability and innovation. One of the standout models in Volvo's electric vehicle, EV lineup, is the Volvo XC40 Recharge. This groundbreaking SUV combines the Swedish automaker's renowned craftsmanship with cutting-edge electric propulsion, promising a driving experience that's not only thrilling but also environmentally conscious. The heart of the Volvo XC40 Recharge lies in its electric powertrain. Boasting dual electric motors, one on each axle, this SUV delivers an exhilarating all-wheel drive experience. The instant torque from the electric motors propels the XC40 Recharge from 0 to 60 mph in an impressive time, making it not only eco-friendly, but also a joy to drive. With a focus on sustainability, Volvo has incorporated recycled materials into the interior, showcasing their dedication to both performance and environmental responsibility. Range anxiety is a thing of the past with the XC40 Recharge. Equipped with a substantial battery pack, this model offers an impressive range on a single charge. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a road trip, the XC40 Recharge provides the freedom to go the distance. Moreover, Volvo has invested in a robust charging infrastructure, allowing for quick and convenient charging at home or on the go. The fast charging capabilities ensure minimal downtime, making electric driving a seamless part of daily life. Volvo has always been synonymous with safety, and the XC40 Recharge continues this tradition. Packed with the latest in safety technology, including advanced driver assistance systems, the XC40 Recharge aims to make driving not only enjoyable, but also secure. The intuitive infotainment system provides seamless connectivity, integrating with your digital lifestyle. From voice-activated controls to smartphone integration, the XC40 Recharge keeps you connected and entertained while on the road. The XC40 Recharge maintains Volvo's signature design language with a sleek and modern exterior. Inside, the cabin exudes a minimalist Scandinavian aesthetic, creating a serene and comfortable environment for both driver and passengers. The spacious interior is complemented by thoughtful design elements, ensuring a luxurious driving experience. Additionally, the absence of a traditional engine allows for a more versatile and adaptable interior layout, maximizing both cargo and passenger.